Inkokheli ye-One South Africa Movement uMmusi Maimane kubonakala ngathi ngokakananto yokuthetha kuba kaloku umongameli Cyril Ramaphosa ugoba umqolo wazivala izikolo isithuba senyanga. Kaloku besele sezinkundleni zamatyala ngelibhena kwisigqibo sikarhulumente sokubuyisela abantwana ezikolweni. Kambe ke uthi uchulumancile sisibhengezo saphezolo esivele kumongameli malunga ne-COVID-19.
And I welcome furthermore the extension of the academic year into 2021, because whilst it may be difficult for many parents, and I want every learner to get back to school as soon as possible, but actually what it does do is that it allows us the space to adjust curriculum and make sure that we put the proper measures in place so that all learners are given a fair chance.
Yona ke iDA iphume ecaleni kwesi sigqibo isithi noko ayixoli.
The Democratic Alliance is strongly opposed to the decision announced by President Ramaphosa to close the nation's public schools for 4 weeks. And I can announce today that we will be approaching the courts on the basis that it is a political rather than a scientifically motivated decision that has been made. And it is certainly not in the best interests of South Africa's 14 million school children.
EFF yona kudala imemelela kuba makuvalwe izikolo ngoku ithi iyavuya.
It is nothing but a PR stunt to close schools for a mere 3 weeks, as no scientific modeling suggests the upward curve of infections will have flattened and that it will be safe for learners to return.
Kwelinye icala i-IFP ithi noko ngekhe kwamiwa kancinci ngesi siphithiphithi senziwa ngurhulumente.
There is fundamental contradiction in what the president has said, given that on one hand he closes schools but then keeps them open. We fundamentally believe that government has not taken the guidance or heeded the caution of the World Health Organization, which said that schools must only be reopened once community transmissions have been contained.
Yona iCope ithi oku kusisithuko kuluntu loMzantsi Afrika ngokubanzi.
It is totally unacceptable that we must still have two separate basic education systems in this country. President Cyril Ramaphosa and the ANC must know that that is an insult to the majority people of this country.
Ukanti ke umphathi wemfundo esisiseko uAngie Motshekga uza kuthi dandalazisiyane iinkcukacha ezithe vetshe ngenkqubo eza kulandelwe sisibhengezo sikamongameli. Ndinkwabongile Dumako kwiindaba ze-SABC eRhawutini.